Hello guys, so today this is the update of my garden and grow garden. Okay, so first my strawberries are still small and some blueberries, my tomatoes. And I actually got a star fruit off cam, sorry, and some corn too. And I also got this little hedgehog. Hi. Okay, so don't mind what I just said on the other video. Yeah. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, we're just gonna sell
ng
some.
eggs dun.
Okay. You should sell. Ha? Egg? Tatlo na yung mga pets ko eh.
Tingin ka kung ano mo.
Okay na to. We'll just get my corns. I have a wet corn. This is a normal corn and this is also a normal corn.
Size by size.
Let's go. I want to sell my inventory. Got one thing. Okay. Can we make this a parkour? Yeah, how it is.
No.
Yes, sir. I've got more star fruit, but I'm just gonna let this sit for a while.
Hindi ako naman.
Then I'm a big straw. That's a big blueberry. Then, huh?
Ano?
And
Gawin. Pulot mo
then, okay.
The big one.
No thanks. I'm a good bee. They might spoil. Okay. I need to get more. Okay, now we're gonna go to the
Strategy.
wait. That's nice. I want a beanstalk actually, but
Done yep. 3 minutes na. Alright, it's done.
no. Okay, let's see. Is there any other seeds? No. I want this grape or the mango. My friends giving me some random stuff like this. Watermelon? No. You should get a carrot. Spam it. I love it. Okay, let's go.
Seed shop.
Di ba naglagay ko ng isang...
Diyan yung coconut.
Oh, di ba? Coconut. So we're gonna put it here. Yo, this is growing pretty fast.
Kain naman yung bunny. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng dyan eh.
They're just going around in it.
Naman.
Come on. Let's... Do we have the beanstalk now? Come on.
Tingin ka kung meron may mga pwede ka naman tabilihin.
Seriously, why did you eat my carrots?
Okay lang.
That's okay. Eat those anyway. Oh, watermelon.
Watermelon.
There's a watermelon.
Malapit na, ilagay mo na lang malapit dyan sa mga ano. What's that?
Just a
Golden tomato. My just is
Just gonna put on the half of this. I'm gonna let those. Oh, I can already.
bro ate one of your cats.
Why did you do that? Seriously, why did you do that?
Bro's hungry.
I'm gonna feed you later, bro.
Oh my god.
But I'll give you this carrot. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here, my bunny. Come here, Shripple. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop hopping. Come on. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. Hey, why did you jump off?
Huwag mo na kumain na. Kumakain naman siya sa jae.
Come here. Okay.
Yan lang.
Looks like we can't eat yet. Okay, let's
Kumain
just...
siya kanina pa eh. Di ba? Notification.
It steals my
Rabbit.
carrots.
Nope. Kumain siya.
Okay.
Tsaka siya yung owner mo, di ba?
It's okay.
Collect it.
Ooh. Sparkly. I'm gonna let those sit for... Yo, I have a golden strawberry.
Big. Ah, meron nga.
Yo, what?
Collect meron pang big na strawberry.
No thanks.
Kanyat.
This actually feels like Fisk too.
Pero kung ano.
Yo?
Ba't parang may
Why
mukha?
does it have a face?
Anyways, collect mo muna.
Watermelon patches?
Tubigan mo.
Huh?
Bili ka ng watering can.
Dang, it's so far away. Mr. Owl is looking at me. Like, seriously. What are you looking at, bro?
Yeah, that's creepy.
That's creepy. Why does she look staring at woman?
Shut it. Niggas.
Show me the gear shop. Watering can.
Wait. Kailangan mo ng basic. Come on. Sprinkler, wala.
What's a favorite tool? That's tool.
Watering can.
Watering can. And garden.
Bigyan mo watermelon.
Watermelon.
Nag-ano ulit sa shop.
Okay, let's see if there's a beanstalk now. Beanstalk? Seriously?
Pero may watermelon ata eh.
Bamboo. I don't need that many bamboos. We need some bamboos.
Taste.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
That's all. Please. Kaya mo lang mag-grow.
That is just very listening. Ito was stem.
Collect mo na.
Okay. I gotta go speedrun.
They're just clicking everywhere.
Okay. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I need more strawberry. That's still growing. Oh,
Corn.
hi cow.
Wait, check mo nga ba, boo?
Yo, I can already use this as a parkour thing. You know? Yo, it's that just okay. Now what time for playing? We're serious in here. Honey already told us something. Okay.
Gano'n katagal yan?
Anything to sell? I want to sell my inventory. Okay. So that's just my garden for today. Yeah. I'm gonna. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna give you the updates of my garden with my annoying rabbit. Okay, guys, bye.